Well, it's day 12, and it was a fairly good day today. I tried some other stuff today that I need to conquer in order to move forward. So I tried walking up and down stairs today using a cane, and I spent a bit more time walking with my walker, just getting more stable with the walker and more time on my feet to move forward, to become better, become stronger, and got to get the stairs so that I can go home and you know and start the next phase of my recovery. So that's what I was doing today. I didn't sleep well last night, so I don't know. I'm getting around 3 hours sleep a night. I'm doing a little bit of crashing through the day to make up for what I haven't been getting. But that is, today. And been doing the exercises that I was given. I'm finding that the exercises are going easier. It's still tough, but it is better. So that's all good. So it's just 2 steps forward, right? So it's a better day. Had some better results, and going down the stairs and up the stairs wasn't as hard as I guess what I thought it would be. But I did find that there came to a point where I hit a wall, and I was like, you know what, I can't be walking with the cane for much longer without going to the walker. So I did realize that, and adjusted. So that's what I've done today. So it's good. It's moving forward. I've noticed that the swelling is coming down in my leg, but I still got ache in my knee, so that is going to take a bit to clear up. And then going to get the staples removed Friday morning, as I said. So I'm looking forward to getting that done, and there's another step in the move forward. So this is what the leg looks like today. The bruising is going down. The swelling has been going down as well. So it is a better day with the leg. I've noticed that the muscle in my calf is not as stiff as it was. So the heat on my lower leg and on my upper leg right here seems to be working. On this side, this bruising is almost gone right here. And then the bruising down my leg, it's still there, but it's coming out, so slowly but surely. So at the end of the day, at the end of day 12, the steps forward have been positive, good, and you can see a change, and just a good change, a positive change. So just with everything that's going on, I'm still having a lot of pain in my leg. I stopped taking the higher medication for pain that I was taking, and I've gone to the hydromorphone. Doesn't seem to do anything for me. It's just the drug doesn't do anything for me. So I'm in more pain because that drug doesn't seem to work. So I will talk to my family doctor on Friday when I get the staples removed about going forward. What can I do? What should I be looking at? And just finding something that works for me that, that just takes the edge off the pain. So like I said, even though everything's moving forward, I'm still in pain. I'm still not sleeping. I have to solve, kind of that being able to get to sleep in a chronic sort of pain environment. If, on the off chance that the pain takes longer to dissipate and go. So that's where I'm at, day 12, and I think it's all been good progress today. Just going to keep working at it, doing the drills, and I'll talk to my doctor Friday. I'll see how I'm doing tomorrow. Hopefully hopefully tomorrow I'm having an even better day. But anyway, so that is the end of day 12. I guess we'll see you for day 13. Have a good night.